Ready to pass the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam? This guide provides the exact strategy for first-try success. Your biggest advantage is knowing where your score comes from. The CLF-C02 exam has 4 domains, but they aren't equal. Cloud Concepts is 24% and Billing is only 12%. The 2 heavyweights are Security and Compliance at 30% and Cloud Technology at 34%. Together, these 2 make up a massive 64% of your total score. Mastering them isn't just a good idea, it's the foundation of a successful first-try pass. Focus your study time here for the biggest impact. The Security and Compliance domain is where exams are won or lost, starting with the shared responsibility model. You must know what AWS manages, the security of the cloud, like its hardware, versus what you manage, security in the cloud, like your data and user access. Concepts like Identity and Access Management, or IAM, are critical. This single model can account for up to 8 questions on your exam, making it the most important concept to master for a passing score. The Cloud Technology domain is broad, covering dozens of services, but don't get overwhelmed. For this exam, you only need to know what each core service does, not the deep technical details. Focus on the main use cases for services like EC2 for virtual servers, S3 for object storage, and RDS for managed databases. Understanding which service to use in a given scenario is the key to success in this domain, not memorizing complex configurations or command line syntax. Build your study plan on a strong foundation and then secure the easy points. Start with the Cloud Concepts domain to understand the why behind cloud, including the 6 key advantages like trading capital for operational expense. Then, turn to the Billing and Pricing domain. At just 12% of the exam, it offers straightforward questions. Master the differences between pricing models like on-demand and reserved instances, and you'll secure valuable points with relatively little effort compared to other domains. The most effective tool in your prep is practice questions. Data shows that candidates who complete over 200 practice questions have an 85% first attempt pass rate. But it's about quality, not just quantity. Use a 3-step process. Practice questions for each domain as you study, take full-length timed exams, and most importantly, perform a detailed review of every wrong answer. This active recall method is what truly solidifies your knowledge and builds the confidence you need for exam day. Finally, avoid the common mistakes that cause failure. Don't just memorize services in isolation, learn them in the context of real-world scenarios. Never ignore the shared responsibility model, as it's the most tested concept. And don't overstudy deep technical details. This is a foundational exam that tests conceptual understanding. By focusing on use cases instead of configurations, you can study smarter and avoid the most common exam day pitfalls, ensuring your success on the first attempt. You now have the proven strategy to pass the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. By focusing on the high-value domains, using practice questions effectively, and avoiding common mistakes, you can walk into your exam with confidence. For the complete study plan and detailed tips, read the full guide on openexamprep.com. Your next step is to start practicing. Get access to 200 free exam-style questions with detailed explanations right now to begin your journey to certification.